Well, we actually get to rail fan here. Actually got a engine coming my way. BNSF. He's cruising right along. Cruising. Going from one to the next. Huh. Little rail fanning, right? Yeah. Hobo Shoestring would be happy. Good to see an engine. He's cruising. I saw a phone go by. They had some stuff before, so you can kind of walk up here and about getting on the railroad track. It's a pretty big yard up here, it looks like. Yeah, Hobo Shoestring would have loved to see that, man. He's cruising along over there. They got a BNSF. They got all kinds of stuff over here. The Home Depot. I think they got a spur that goes over there, so. No vehicle to win movement on the adjacent tracks. Speed limit 10 miles per hour. Trying to tell, it's like a lot of rail. Sometimes I'll see 2 or 3 trains coming up here. Yep, there's a big yard up here. You can tell up here, ladies and gentlemen, all kinds of stuff up there. You got the public storage. You got Iron Mountain over here. Keep off bridge, it says. But you know me. Traffic's not too bad today. Here he comes. Yeah, they got a big yard up here. Big ass yard. Interstate. So let's turn around, head on back. Oh, here comes the vehicle. I'm gonna get myself yelled at. So, here he comes. I'm gonna get yelled at for rail fanning. Better get off. Otherwise, I'm gonna get arrested. Yep, get yelled at. Being on the railroad track, private property. Better get off, homie. So anyway, that's kind of good to see some engines. But it's a pretty busy rail line. You know, they didn't come. I thought they were sure they'd come. But anyways, there you go, guys. Thought for sure. We got a lot of, we dump a lot of stuff. This must be like a A lot of stuff over here, rock and stuff they put. All kinds of good stuff. You got rail up here. What they do with the old, I was listening to my guy, Distant Signal, they grind up all the old, they ship the stuff overseas, then grind up the ties. That's what they do. So, but, yeah. They got a lot of stuff up here, you can tell. Up here as well. Yeah, he'd be happy. Guy waved. At least I wasn't on the railroad track, but they'd probably dump a lot of stuff here. Oh, this stuff's right here. It's already kind of ready to rock and roll. You can kind of tell. I don't know why they do cement ones. I don't get that. Those will crack. Not easy to remove. Told you guys on the light rail, that's gonna be a problem. That's some heavy stuff. You gotta lift those things up. Got a bunch of ties up here. Yeah, rail fanning, you know. Half my boy. Hobo shoestring. These things are. They're worth some money. These things are, steel-wise. My dad used a lot of those ties. Evaluation median point 4. Okay. Whatever the hell that means. BSNF. We'll walk up here a little bit. You got a couple rail. They're probably going to load those bastards up. Well, it doesn't look like it's used very much. Kind of, not a lot, but that's Home Depot over here, ladies and gentlemen. It does get. I see a lot of trains on here on a regular basis when I drive by. So there are a lot of trains. I rail fanned over there in Minneapolis over there. They had a whole bunch one time a while back. Had a bunch, so. Yeah, you know, once in a while. Get out of the house, make some videos. Like I said, they came out with the 13 and the 5 and the DJI. It's like, DJI's just killed GoPro. So, you can kind of tell this stuff right over here. Look at that stuff. Kind of tell. Look at that stuff. Got all those ties. And somebody decided to leave this thing here. So you can tell they got, this is where they put all the stuff. So, all the rail cars, load them up, ship them out of here. You can tell. Here comes a minivan. So, look, they got a cart over there. That's the. Yeah. Being a police, no trespassing. right. So, gotta behave myself. Got a cart over here, of course. So load this up with all that stuff. Look at that, tires and stuff, so all kinds of good stuff. No money. Yep. A lot of people will sleep in those when they have a thing, so anyways. Well, got your rail fanning over here. So, any who's, any hows. If you enjoyed it, I did. So, see you guys all later on the next one.